Hello friends, welcome to our SAP SD training program. My name is Gaurav, and before we start our main training session, today we will go through a very important introduction to SAP and SAP SD. This session will help you clearly understand what SAP is, what SAP SD is, who should learn it, and how we are going to cover the complete SAP SD and logistic training. If you are new to SAP or planning to build a career as an SAP function consultant, then this course is the perfect starting point of you. So let's begin. Before understanding SAP SD, let's first understand what SAP is. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. SAP is an ERP software. ERP means Enterprise Resourcement Planning. We called it as a SAP, not SAP, because SAP is the abbreviation of Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. So, ERP helps manage all their business processes such as sales, finance, procurement, manufacturing, and human resource in one single integrated system. So, that is why SAP is used by small, medium, and large organizations across the world. Now, let us understand SAP SD. SAP SD stands for Sales and Distribution. It is one of the most important functional module in SAP ERP and SAP HANA. SAP SD is used to manage the entire sales cycle of a company. It covers customer inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, and billing. In simple words, we can say that SAP SD manage how a company sells its products and services to the customer. So let us explain SAP SD with a simple real-time business example. A customer places an order with the company. The company creates a sales order in SAP. Then the goods are packed and delivered to the customer. This process is called delivery. After delivery, an invoice is generated and payment is received from customer. This complete flow is known as the order to cash cycle. SAP SD play a key role in managing the entire cycle. So whenever a company sells something using SAP, SAP SD is always involved. This SAP SD course is useful for freshers and students from commerce, management and engineering background. Working professional from sales, order management, customer services, logistic, billing or supply chain, and the people who are new to SAP and who want to switch the career into SAP and want to become a functional consultant. SAP SD is more about business process understanding. So you do not need any coding knowledge before start this course. In today's world, SAP SD has excellent career opportunities. Every company that uses SAP and sell products or services requires SAP SD consultants. SAP SD is used in industries sector like manufacturing, retail, pharma, FMCG, IT services and many more. Now let us me explain our training approach. First, we will always understand the business concept. Before jumping into SAP configuration, we will discuss why business uses this concept, what problem it solves, and how it works in real-time scenario. Only after understanding the business logic, we will move to SAP concept and then to system configuration. For example, in SAP SD pricing. Pricing is the most important topic from SD point of view. Before configuration, we will understand pricing components such as basic price, discount, surcharges, rebates, taxes, and many more condition types. So first we will understand from business point of view what is price, what is basic price, discount, surcharge, rebates, net value and taxes. So first we will understand from business point of view as a end user what is net value, what is taxes, and then we will go for SAP concepts and then for configuration. And one another example is if a customer is using free goods concept in their business scenario, the first step is to understand how the customer is using free goods. For example, conditional free goods, inclusive free goods, or promotional offer. Next, we will analyze which free goods types are available in SAP that best fit with the customer's requirement. Based on this analysis, we then proceed with the relevant SAP configuration to meet the business need. In our training, we follow two types of configuration. First is baseline configuration. This is done only by SAP SD consultant and has no dependency on other modules. Second is final configuration, which involves integration with other modules. For example, when we create a customer master, it is also integrated with the FI module. The company code related data in the customer master is taken care of by the FI consultant. In the another example, if we go for material master, multiple views are available. So consultants from different modules are involved in maintaining it and relevant configuration. So first we will go for baseline configuration specific to one module, and then we will go for final configuration. Means integrated configuration where multiple module consultants are involved. So after this configuration, we will perform end-to-end testing, which includes unit testing and integration testing. After this end-to-end testing, we will analyze whether all the processes are working fine or not. If everything is working fine, then it is good. If anything is not working, then we will analyze the issue and identify the missing steps and correct the configuration. This is exactly how real SAP implementation projects work. And after testing, we will move towards understanding real time business needs. We will discuss real time business scenario where SAP is actually being used in live projects. This will help you understand how SAP works in real companies and real business environments. And after this, if any business requirement cannot be fulfilled using standard SAP configuration, then we will go for enhancements. Enhancements are required only when standard SAP is not able to meet the specific business needs. So, wherever required, we will design and implement enhancements based on real business requirements. After completing enhancements, we will also discuss interview questions. We have listed out all the most important and frequently asked interview questions for each and every concept. We will also discuss the SAP certification exam approach as per the new exam pattern. I hope this video has helped you to get a clear insight into all the contents of our training program. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Also do share this video with your friends, colleagues and anyone who is interested in learning SAP.